Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a review on the Roomba Combo 10 Max. We're only going to do this whole section right here from where that line is in the carpet. We're going to do this whole section and then we're going to see how it does. So let's get started. Alright, got the Roomba app opened up here. So we're going to press new job and then we're going to do, once this loads, we're going to do the living room. And we're gonna vacuum only. Put on high suction. And we're only gonna keep it on one pass. So we got all of that. Then we're gonna press start now. Alright, and now it's gonna come out. And then it's gonna vacuum this whole area right to that line. Right there, if you can see that. So here it goes. It's going to do its rows first, then it's going to do a perimeter, and then it's going to go back to the base and empty. I'll check back with you once we get to the perimeter cleaning. Alright, as of right now, it's heading back to its base. I don't know what it's doing. So head back to its base, probably to empty itself because it's getting full. It probably got full. Alright, well it seems like it's gonna head back to the base and it's gonna self-empty itself. Because it's been got full. It will be loud, just to let you know. So yeah, we got a warning coming up here of loudness. And it will be loud. Alright, now it's gonna head back out and finish its job. And here it goes. Now it's gonna finish up doing its row cleaning. And then it's gonna pretty much be complete after its perimeter. Alright, now it's going to come more this way. Alright, I will get back to you once it starts doing its edge cleaning. Alright, and now the Roomba Combo 10 Max is going to be doing its edge cleaning. And then it's going to go back to the base and empty. We'll watch it till it's edge clean. Now it's going to go back to the base and empty. Alright, now it's going to empty itself. It will be loud. Alright, that seems like it's about to be it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.